So the creatives that actually convert nowadays are nearly always video, and you need to test a lot of them, different hooks, different lengths, different styles, and then resized for different platforms. And what that used to mean was a shoot day, a crew, and a lot of time by an editor or multiple editors to make all of that happen. But today it means one browser tab and you watching this video to learn exactly how to make that happen. And I happened to start working on this project at a really good time because a brand new video model came out that I think is now on top of the leaderboards. And so we're going to use that new model, which I'll explain in a second, to do a lot of the actual AI generation that we'll need to do. Now, if you are just landing here, you're watching a 6-part series where we go from an idea to a real brand in 6 parts completely with AI. And so over the past 2 episodes, I built this wireless earbuds brand called Aero. Episode 1 was the logo, the product renders, and the packaging. Then episode 2 was a full photo shoot and models wearing the product and lifestyle scenes, all of it completely generated. And then now for step 3, we're going from our photo and our branding base into the world of video, and specifically video ads to actually sell our product. Now this series is sponsored by my partner Dreamina, and everything you're about to see is made on the platform Dreamina. Now again, that is really perfect timing for this because ByteDance just launched the Dreamina Seedance 2.5 model on Dreamina. It's the upgrade to Seedance 2.0. And it's a really, really good video model. I'm probably gonna do another video just covering the updates. But with the Omni Reference feature of Seedance 2.5, you can upload up to 50, that is 50 references. So 30 images, 10 videos, and 10 audio clips. And that matters a lot to us because we already have the assets. We have all these assets, photos, lifestyle scenes, the renders of the product, the logos, etc. We can feed all of that into this Seedance 2.5 engine to work on the videos that we want to bring into the world. So I want you to build along with me with whatever your idea is. So to follow along, you can go to this link on the screen or comment Dreamina. We'll respond to that comment with a link. So just follow along, build with me. You'll have fun, I'll have fun. And that in mind, let's jump into my computer for part 3 of our 6-part series. Okay, now we still need our launch posters before we get started with the video. So I'm gonna take some of these assets we've created prior. You can see them here. Here are the headphones, for example, as well as some of our model photographs. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and download a few of these images. I can do that right here. We're in the Octo canvas right now. And then I'm going to jump into the main Dreamina portal. I'm going to upload a few of these as references. I'm just doing this quickly. You can get a better idea for this later. And then I'm going to say, create a launch poster for the Aero wireless earbuds with the headline, Hear Everything. Okay, here are those posters. Looks perfect. It keeps the product consistent. This is super high res. Overall, I think we have our posters. That's the process on the poster side if you didn't watch an earlier video. And now let's get into the highlight. I'm also going to go ahead and drop our new posters here. We're building up quite a collection of images on this canvas. So now first let me show you the actual process that we'll use to make these ads, and then we'll get into a few of those demos or really just make the video ads I have in mind for the brand. Now we can do this inside of Octo by hitting / and then chatting with the agent. We've covered that in other videos. Or we can do it here. I like this because it's more visual. We're gonna go under AI image, change that to AI video. Then we're gonna change Dreamina Seedance 2.0 to Dreamina Seedance 2.5, the brand new model. We're gonna leave this on Omni Reference. That's where we can use all the different references as context for the video agent. We'll leave it on 16:9. And then for 5 seconds, let's take this up to 15 seconds. Then what really matters is the context. We want to take all of these different assets that we've created and give them to the video agent so it knows all the angles, all the looks of the product. That's a very important step here. So we already downloaded 4 of our images. I'll generate another one here. Let's download a few of these as well. And then this is the beauty of Dreamina Seedance 2.5 and Omni Reference. We can just upload everything. I'm gonna give it 12 images as reference. You can see all of those there, which is ridiculous. And we can layer video and audio on top of that. So then to stack on top of those images, let's go to Pexels and we can find some reference video. Let's go to add, and then we can watch a few of these. This one has a guy kind of turning around. We can download that. Let me search product ad so it's a bit more specific. And then we can see this one as well as a very slow pan down. Let's download that. And then let's go back. And then here under music, let's go for a pop style beat. I think this works. Let's download that. So what we're basically doing here, and this is the same process you can follow, is go find things you like, other ads that are out there that you've seen that have sold you, and then just download them, right? Take the visuals, the audio, everything you like, come back here, and then go ahead and just plug them in. So we've uploaded our 2 videos as reference, and then let's upload our audio as well. So we have 13 reference assets, and we could go to 50. Again, that's the beauty of Omni Reference. We have 10 images, 2 videos, and 1 audio clip, and I've paired it with this prompt. So create a 15-second feed ad for Aero wireless earbuds, match the pacing and the camera style of the reference videos, then use the exact product, and here it says figure 1. What we can do is hit at, and then we can just go ahead and select, for example, this product image, which clearly shows the product. And then instead of the model from figure 4, we hit at, and then we choose our model from figure 4 and end with the logo and the tagline. So again, context is super important. Dreamina Seedance 2.5 plus Omni Reference is what unlocks that volume, and then it's on you to follow through and actually deliver the elements that you like so it can successfully replicate them on your behalf. So everything is prepared. These are the settings we want. Now we can get our first video ad created. Okay, our first ad is done. Let's give this a watch. Okay, this looks awesome. So you can hear the fact that the audio is layered, super high res based on that reference image of the headphones and our reference model. Completely accurate, and we have the layered sound, pretty cool. And let's just see the end here. So just give that a listen one more time. Super cool, layered sound, and here we go. We have Aero, hear everything at the end. So it responded to the prompt at the same audio, same vibe as the reference assets we gave it, and very high quality, very realistic. That is a win. That's something we could use on an ad platform, and I hope that shows you the type of generation you can get without a lot of effort. That's one prompt, attempt 1, using tools like this. And I really want to emphasize again that shift from just describing what it is that you want and the AI creating it to just saying, hey, this is what I like, this is what we've created before, and visually giving that to the agent, and then the agent goes and figures the rest out. And what I want to do there to illustrate is I've taken 2 different reference videos and downloaded them. One is this 8-second clip of some people on vacation, you know, very happy, tropical vibe. And then the other one is this. So it's very abstract, kind of high tech. And so what we're going to do is to use the same prompt we created, and then just for the videos, let's go ahead and delete these 2. We're going to run this twice. The first one with the vacation ad, the second one with the high tech ad, and then we can see what does the AI do based on that. And that'll really illustrate the different vibes that are created and how it interprets and contextualizes the context that you give it. And that speaks to how important it is that you give it the right context, whatever it is that you think is going to sell well for the brand. Or if you go chat with Claude, whatever Claude says, right, is going to sell best for the brand. I've uploaded the vacation ad. Let's make this vertical 9:16. And then now we will upload the other one. We'll delete the first one and we'll let this run as well. Go ahead and create some more ads by talking to the agent inside of our canvas, which is the other way you can engage with the AI. I've hit /, so now let's say, let's create some high quality Video ads for Google and Facebook ads for the Aero wireless earbuds. What ideas do you have for those ads? Let's see what it says. Okay, it's saying we should hook them, give a transition cut, and then give a montage of the earbuds. Let's say just go ahead and create that. Sounds good to me. Okay, we can see it's gone ahead and created a storyboard for the video ads it's going to create. So it has each scene broken down as well as the characters. This all looks good, very thorough work by the agent. So I've asked it to go ahead and generate the video. We can see some of the other really cool images it has generated here for the storyboard for the ad, but these look really good. You can see the quality, and again, it's consistent. That's what matters. It understands the prior generations. It knows that the brand is Aero. We can see it right there. It knows the colors, it knows the product. Now it'll go ahead and create some of its own videos for us. We can see those generating here. Okay, our Octo generation is done. Let's give this one a watch for the full 15 seconds. Wow, cool. I think this is my favorite, for maybe my single favorite thing we've made in this whole series so far. There's a real story to this one. I think that's the real advantage you get with vibe creating with the Octo agent. But the realism here is awesome. I mean, you can see the Dreamina Seedance 2.5 quality right there. But really it tells the story arc, right? Of being in the gym, not being able to focus, you press the headphones, and then you get into this flow state. So super cool there. You can see the text renders very well too. Overall, A+ in my book for that one. So with that all done, now I'm going to go create some other video ads. I'm gonna play around, make some cool stuff, repeat the same process that we've looked through in this video, and that's the exact same way you can do it yourself. And then we'll come back in a few minutes and see what we've created. Okay, I wanna show you two more that are my favorite ones. I just went ahead and created using that same process and chatting with the agent and using the Dreamina Seedance 2.5 model. Let's give this one a watch. So awesome realism, really good quality. There we go. Let's watch the second one. You can hear the music is the same as the reference track we uploaded in this case. We have our other model. And there we go, the same marble from the reference image. So these are ready to launch, right? We could go to an ad platform and just straight run these if we wanted to. We could post them on social media. Now we're going to do a lot more with video in the videos in this series that are going to come. I'm going to talk more about that. But to recap, we now have about a half a dozen video ads for the Aero brand, and they are consistent. They look the same. I'm super happy with this. I still think the second one we made was my favorite. So there we go. We have our launch posters and our video ads. And these genuinely, we could go jump onto an ad platform and plug them in. And we've done all of this completely with AI for a total cost of like $10, if that. It's a pretty cool world for creatives that we live in. And that in mind, in the next episode, what's coming up is a face for Aero, a spokesperson that we can use across video, across social media, explainers, product demos, etc., and video ads to go sell the brand and really represent it. We're going to do that in multiple languages, and we're going to test, hey, can we get the lip sync? Can we get the audio? Can we get the realism of the person correct? Again, completely with AI. Now again, the link's in the description if you want to follow along with the series and build yourself, or you can just comment Dreamina. Thanks to Dreamina again for being an amazing partner on the series and sponsoring it. And I look forward to seeing you guys again back here for part 4. So I appreciate you being here, and see you in the next one. Cheers.